C++ and its applications. C++ is a language for embedded systems, presented by Kmtec Ltd. C++ is a language which is predominantly used for embedded systems due to its closeness to hardware rather than other high-level languages. But still, C++ is a high-level language because of its data structures, object orientation. Can be also used for application development for Windows or for other operating systems. It has a very high affinity to control the system resources. Therefore, it's heavily used also in image processing and other applications. And it's portable. Like you have also a Windows version like Visual C++, but Microsoft has migrated to C# for Windows applications, but still you do have a C++ of Microsoft version, and the general C++ other versions run on Linux and the other operating systems. Basically, C++ is quite a strong language. It's quite good to have it in your resume or in your experience, since it's very complicated, like the data structures, the object orientation, and some of the concepts like polymorphism, encapsulation. All these things are a bit difficult to learn in the beginning, but once you get a grasp of it, it's very easy. And the syntax is also very hard to remember. For example, STL is not C++, but still standard template library is very hard for someone beginning to program. Is difficult to put in mind. The versions of C++ is C++ 98. They started off. Then we had C++ 3, 11, 14 and 17. I think 20 is already there, and 23 is I think going to come. So these are some basic intro into C++. C++ is used in a variety of applications. To name a few, it is used in CAD software like AutoCAD, CATIA, Pro Engineer, SolidWorks. All these software is basically written in C++, and these are CAD applications. Therefore, it's using heavily image processing functionalities, and C++ is good in processing large data structures and managing it and providing a graphical view of it. Like you can use different software for it, like Qt or other applications to make image processing or image display with C++. C++ is also widely used in image processing, like for example some of the ADAS systems like automotive distance control systems, with camera based automotive distance control systems, where the camera is used as a main source of sensor, where it captures the images, processes these images and identifies objects like lane recognition or pedestrian detection or other objects or road signs. There are different applications today. So it's heavily used in image processing in C++ due to its fast processing speed. That's one reason it's used in image processing. And OpenCV is like it's an image processing algorithm which is available freely, and it's open source. This can be used is used for a lot of university or research based projects in image processing. Some GUI applications, graphical user interface applications written with C++, which you are using in day-to-day life, like are Mozilla Firefox, Thunderbird email, Adobe Photoshop, MySQL is a database software. This also uses C++, and some parts of the Apple operating systems and Windows operating systems also use C++. Just to name a few more applications which is using C++ is Spotify, which uses C++ and Qt. Qt is a front end or a GUI, graphical user interface library which you can use. Is widely used with C++. It runs good on Windows and also on Linux. YouTube is used for video processing and managing data. It's a huge database where video is stored, and it's widely used platform nowadays, and it also uses C++. Amazon started with C++, still using C++ for some of its processing requests, although they have develop their own different technologies for their platform. Google, but although primarily Java and Python, but they also use C++ for many of their modules. One of the examples is Google Earth. They use C++. Kmtec Limited is based in the UK. We are in Birmingham and London. Please contact us for any further details. We can provide software services in embedded domain, IoT, and PLM ALM solutions. Thank you.